An advanced team headed by the finance minister is expected to travel to negotiate the loan. And President Muhamadu Buhari will travel to China to sign the loan in March. President Buhari recently presented an ambitious budget to Nigeria's parliament. At $30 billion, it's the highest budget proposal in Nigeria's history. Analysts think Buhari's administration is attempting to spend its way out of recession by investing a huge chunk of the budget in infrastructure. But he doesn't have access to funds for that. The deficit stands at $5 billion for now, but it could rise up to 15 as Buhari's administration plans to spend billions on infrastructure and uplifting social service. Nigeria's economy has been contracting consistently for more than a year, rapidly falling oil prices taking a toll on the economy. Crude oil accounts for 90% of the country's exports and 70% of its earnings. Development expert Jaye Gaskia thinks Nigeria needs the loans for immediate budgetary support, but a major bailout could be imminent unless a resurgence in crude oil prices happens soon.
So if all of this actually work out, then we are not going to be in this, we are not going to get to a situation where there will be need for a bailout. But if they fail, if these processes fail, and the external situation does not improve with respect to oil, earnings from oil, and the pressure on the external reserves continue, as well as on the value of the naira, then we would get to a point where we would need a bailout. But I think we are a long way off from a bailout right now.
But what can the loans invested in infrastructure do for Nigeria?
How do you see transportation as part of this economy? What role do you want transportation to play in this economy? So if you are looking at, for example, massively linking up all the major metropolises in Nigeria through rail, for example, if you are thinking of linking seaports, the ports at the sea, and being able to evacuate goods to all parts of the country through rail, then you invest in that rapidly, and then you can say that that's going to be beneficial for the economy, for instance, and that in the long run you'll be able to also repay the loan because the railway is going to be used for commercial, purposes.
Last year, Nigeria barely escaped a recession, experiencing double negative growth in succession. It's currently grappling with a shortage of foreign currency, with the naira trading at 370 to a dollar in the parallel market, although the central bank has kept the official exchange rate at 197. The fall in crude oil prices has had a debilitating effect on the economy here. The country relies 90% on oil for its export revenue. As a result, its savings has stagnated, and now the country is on a path to increasing debt levels with limited ability to pay back, at least in the short run. But Buhari's administration believes investment in Nigeria's infrastructure could make the country more attractive to foreign investors and, over time, wean the economy from overdependence on oil revenue. Kelechi Amekalam, CCTV Abuja, Nigeria.